Hey guys, I heard you guys want to hide your A's on Yubo app. So, welcome back to our channel app tutorial, and today in this video we're going to be learning how we can hide the A's on Yubo app. So, I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So, if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to the Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. Now from here, you need to go to your profile on your top right corner. And once you're over here, just go to this gear icon, which is just settings. Go over there, and from here, go to swipe settings. Once you go over here, you'll be having this option which says don't show my profile. If you toggle this on, then your A's will be hidden on Yubo app. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.